In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a custom info box on Steam. By the end, you'll know exactly how to add a clean, personalized text area to your profile that highlights who you are, what you play, or anything else you want visitors to see at a glance. Start by heading to your Steam profile and opening the Edit Profile area. If you're using the desktop app or the website, go to your profile page and look for the Edit Profile button. This is the control center for everything related to how your profile looks and what appears on it. Give it a second to load, and you'll see a list of sections you can customize. Next, scroll through the options until you reach the Featured Showcase section. The Featured Showcase is the block that appears near the top of your public profile and can display different kinds of content, like achievements or artwork. This is where you choose what type of showcase you want to highlight, and it's exactly where the custom text option lives. Now, in the Featured Showcase dropdown, select Custom Info Box or Text Showcase, depending on what it's called in your client. If you don't see this option, it may not be available on your account yet. Availability can depend on your profile's eligibility for showcases. If it is available, select it, and the page will reveal a simple text field where you can add your content. Enter your text in the provided box. This is your space to share a short bio, highlight favorite games, post community guidelines for your profile comments, or link to hubs and groups. Keep it readable by using short sentences and line breaks, and consider a friendly tone that fits your style. You can include emojis or simple symbols for emphasis, but avoid anything that looks messy or hard to scan. Be mindful of Steam's community guidelines and keep personal or sensitive information out of your text. There's a character limit, so focus on clarity and the details that matter most to visitors. When you're happy with what you've written, click Save. Steam will process the change and apply it to your profile. After saving, visit your public profile to confirm that the custom info box is visible and the text appears exactly how you expect. If you notice spacing or wording you'd like to tweak, you can return to the same spot and adjust the text until it looks just right. That's all there is to it. Go to Edit Profile, scroll to Featured Showcase, choose Custom Info Box or Text Showcase if it's available, enter your text, and click Save. Enjoy your refreshed Steam profile.